Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at direct speech mode. Now what is direct speech mode? Well, what it basically does, it disables all the text around your dialogue so that it focuses in and highlights only your dialogue. Now this is especially useful during the editing stages because what it does, it makes you focus in on that dialogue, which is one of the hardest things to get right in a book. It's really difficult, in my opinion, to get dialogue sounding natural and flowing. So by taking your dialogue out of context, by removing all the text around it, you can really focus in on that dialogue. And if your dialogue sounds natural and flowing when it's out of context, it's probably good dialogue. So with that said, we're going to jump straight in and take a look.
Okay, so to turn direct speech on, if you would use this icon here that looks like a mouth. Now, you may not have this on your toolbar. If you don't have it on your toolbar, then go to View and Show Direct Speech Only. So as you can see, what it's done now, it's highlighting only the dialogue of the book, which is really, really useful when you're in your editing stages because dialogue, well, in my opinion, dialogue is one of the hardest things in the world to get right, to make it sound natural. So often by seeing it, for instance, there's a good one. Nobody says, "Get up," I said. You know, like, so straight away, and I haven't even started looking, you would go, "I said get up." You know, so it focuses you instantly in on the dialogue. And the good thing about this is often if dialogue sounds natural and flowing when it's completely out of context, because all of this is now out of context because you can't see, or you can vaguely see it, but you're just focusing on the words of the dialogue. So if it makes sense and it sounds natural, then it's good dialogue. And by focusing in just on the dialogue and nothing else, so you're not getting distracted by the text around it, it's a really good editing tool. Okay, so I know this is a bit of a short video, but there's not a great deal I can show you other than that, really. And again, if I click on this icon this time, it would turn all the rest of the text back on. One more time, and it turns it off, and you can focus in on your dialogue. Okay?
Okay, so that was direct speech. I think you agree again. It's another great tool that Papyrus Author gives you for your editing and for perfecting your dialogue in a very unique way. So until next time, catch you later.